Hi, I'm Professor Robert Kahn. I teach in the Lawyering Skills Department at the University of St. Thomas, and I just want to take a minute or two to talk about why I find St. Thomas to be so special. I've taught lawyering skills in other institutions. It's been wonderful, but what really strikes me about St. Thomas is community. To me, it has a lot to do with the university's sense of calling. As a lawyering skills teacher, I get to meet a lot of you one-on-one, and we'll have discussions. And what I always try to talk about is how going to law is about a profession. So it doesn't matter as much where you wind up in the class as it does figuring out what kind of lawyer do you want to be. Do you want to be in sports law? Do you want to work in a big firm, a small firm? And what struck me about St. Thomas is how open the students are to this, so that we really get to work collaboratively, and the interest of the students in making the world a better place is remarkable. To me, one of the best things about St. Thomas is the public service. I've gone on a number of public service opportunities with the admissions office that are just wonderful. There are auctions for public service and students of color, and it is, a very nice thing because it helps students build the bonds that are going to help them be better lawyers down the road. As far as my specialty, legal research and writing, I really view myself as your coach. I want to try to make you as good a writer as you can be, and that means we kind of separate out the writer in the process. There'll be better papers, there'll be worse papers. What I want to do is sit down with you one-on-one and help you to become the best writer you can be, in any situation. And to me, this relates to the St. Thomas mission in two ways. First, I firmly believe that good writing involves a leap of faith. You're sitting there with the paper, and eventually you want to come out of yourself and take a risk. And, when I think about writing, I'm a Boston Celtics fan, so I don't like A.C. Green of the Los Angeles Lakers, which is a very long time ago for those of you born after 1987. But when he beat the Celtics and he was interviewed, he thanked God for where that came from. And I think you think about that in terms of writing as well. You are a vessel, you're a servant leader, you're a servant writer, you're someone who is basically, accepting and a faith in a higher power to pull you through. The second part of the mission is the idea a little bit of social justice and morality and Catholic social teaching, which although I'm Jewish rather than Catholic, I still find very moving, and it's the idea of treating each individual with dignity. That means individuals in society at large as well as law students, and that's where, at least from my perspective, I don't want to treat people as a number. I want to treat you as someone who is going to law school for a reason, to pursue a legal career, and it's my job to help you on your journey. Sometimes I'll say things you won't want to hear, and sometimes I'll say things I don't want to hear, but the goal in the end is to help you become the best lawyer you can be. And what I really love about St. Thomas is that there are a lot of other people in this building who have the same vision as well.